So much of travel is having a vision in your head and then you get there and nothing is executed quite right. And it's missing the wisdom that you can get from visiting new lands. We want you to wake up in a place that very much speaks to the soul of wherever you are and takes a deep dive into the rhythms, the philosophies, the music, the literature of a place without being super heavy-handed with it. Let us spend months getting to the soul of a place so when you get there, it's laid out for you in a curated and beautiful way. If you want to go down and have a drink at the bar with a friend of yours, go for it. If you want to sit alone and write in your journal, great. If you want to go for a long meander down old French village streets, those streets are there waiting for you. We want to put together something that's so beautiful you can't look away.